Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Building the Syren. This week, we are going to attach the sail and the lintels. If it is your first time visiting, or have not yet subscribed, please make sure to do so below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell too. You don't want to be missing any upcoming episode. The sail and the lintels start outlining the gun port. The sails on the bottom, and the lintels on the top. In order to have a nice flush seal throughout the model, I use a spacer right here and another spacer above here to make sure the lintels are also properly aligned. Let's get into the build.